This is the purple smoky eye we're going to be creating today. First priming my eyes off camera with the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Primer, and then starting out with the Flower Nose Violet Strawberry Rococo palette, using the Sigma E38 brush to apply this violet shade all over the lid, and then I'm slowly blending it up and above the crease. A big brush like this really makes for fast application. Here I am just blending out the top edge so there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm dipping into this darker pink shade with a Morphe V206 brush and concentrating this on the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm starting to create a V shape in the outer corner, following the upward slope of my lower lash line and then curving into the crease. Also occasionally grabbing that E38 brush again to further blend everything out just so there's no harsh lines, and just slowly building the color up. With this purple shade, I'm using a Sigma E30 brush and concentrating this lower into the outer corner, again maintaining that V shape in the outer corner. I'm first kind of patting this color on and then slowly blending it out. I'm creating a V shape here and then pulling it into the crease a little bit, like so. And then I'm going to use the V206 brush from Morphe, and if needed, I'll use the Sigma E38 brush again to further blend everything out. So I'm just slowly blending upwards and outwards. Next, I'm using the Sigma E54 brush and applying this glittery shade on the lid. I'm sweeping this towards the middle of the eye, bringing it up above the crease, and then just feathering out all the edges with what's left on the brush. Here I am just kind of pulling it over into that purple color. I'm going to be dipping into the shimmery purple color in the palette and then applying this to the outer half of the lid. Then I'm going to grab the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette to use this fair shade. I'm applying that in the inner corner with the E54 brush, kind of sweeping it inwards onto the lid. And then I'm taking the E38 brush and applying a little bit to the brow bone just to blend out any edges. With the Sigma E30 brush, I'm using this purple shade and applying that to the lower lash line, adding a little bit of the Huda Beauty pencil liner. Then with the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 palette, I'm using a Sigma E06 brush to smoke out the lower lash line, applying that tight to the lashes and then blending it into that purple shade. Then I'm adding an inner corner wing with the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner in shade Chocolate, going in with a little bit more of that black shade, and I'm lining the upper lash line, keeping the line thinner towards the inner corner and thicker towards the outer corner. It doesn't have to go on perfect because we are going to blend it out a little bit. I'm dipping into this brown shade from the Major Dimension 3 palette and then blending out that top edge of the black eyeshadow like so, using a light hand. I'm then curling my lashes, applying a light coat of mascara, and then applying the Velour lashes in style Sweetheart, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe down below, and I have everything linked in the description. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye!